Welcome! We are going to take a look at a Balestrini MSM double-sided multi-spindle oscillating slot mortiser. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Balestrini MSM will allow you to do up to 3 slot mortises per side at once, with the possibility of adding a 4th if needed. Mounted on the lower part of this machine is a built-in frequency converter. It is to control the spindles, which can be run at either 6,000 or 9,000 RPM, and are either 0.67 or 1.3 horsepower each, depending on the RPM chosen. Adjustable spindle center-to-center distances from 3.3 inches to 36.6 inches. The max oscillation length is 3.93 inches. The max slot depth is 3.14 inches. And you have a maximum slot inclination of 15 degrees.